Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you're well as always. In today's video, I wanted to touch base on NCS. If you guys will remember, earlier on in the year, I announced my partnership with NCS, something that I was extremely and still am excited about. But as you know, we are currently recovering from a pandemic. We're recovering from COVID. And actually, before I delve in, I would love to hear how you guys are doing. You know, I've been doing my random check-ins with you guys to see how your mental health is doing. So mental health check-in, let me know how you're doing below. Me right now, as things are starting to ease up, I can feel like this sense of relief. I think that's pretty much for everybody. But also there's a bit of extra cautiousness because it's still a little bit scary. You know, it's still a little bit scary, but I can see that communities are starting to pull together again. And, you know, my local shops, my local restaurants and things like that are starting to open up, and I'm just excited for people to have their livelihoods back in a way. So yeah, mental health check-in. Anyway, earlier on this year, I announced to you guys that I was an NCS partner. Hopefully you remember, because I was really excited. Was it earlier in this year? I think it was. No, I announced it at the end of last year. And I also have had like videos that I've discussed it in this year as well. So for those of you who don't know, NCS is an opportunity for young people after GCSEs to come together and actually unlock their wealth of talent, their skill. It prepares them for their future. It helps them to trial out their ideas and to generate new skills. It's something that I wish that I'd had the opportunity to do, actually, but alas. Anyway, I know that probably a lot of you guys signed up for NCS, but as you know, as a result of COVID, we are hitting you guys with a reimagined version of NCS this year. As lockdown begins to ease up and things are becoming safe again, this is an opportunity for young people to come together and to do some good. The whole campaign is all about doing good. This is my t-shirt. So yeah, it's all about coming together and doing good. And actually, after looking at the campaign, it got me thinking about different things that I've been doing during the course of lockdown in terms of giving back to my community. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been baking extra, okay? Most people have been baking and discovering baking for the first time during lockdown, but I've always loved baking, and during this lockdown I've baked even more than I've ever done before. So for me, it was just really important to share that, you know, share that goodness with those around me. So I have two neighbors on my sides, either side of me. One is Maureen. Maureen is older or elderly, older. It's an older woman. I don't want to make her older than she is, but she's quite old. And then my other neighbor, Dink, who is high risk as well. So both my neighbors are high risk. My mum is high risk as well. So for me, doing little things to, I guess, put some joy on their face, to brighten up their day, it felt like this is what I could do locally to ease the pain of COVID. So yeah, sharing my bakes and treats. I also took it upon myself to do their weekly shopping for them. So whenever I would go out to do our household shopping, I would go around, I would ask them what they needed, I would take a list, and I would deliver. And I'm still doing that now. If they needed to get to urgent appointments, I would drive them. And to me, that little piece of doing good, just, it adds to my life, it enriches my life. You guys know that I'm all about serving. However I can impart goodness in other people's lives is very important to me. So to all the young people watching, to the mums, aunties, uncles that would love to get their young people involved, you can sign up on NCS's website. I will link it below. So this is a great opportunity for young people to get involved in volunteering, picking up new skills. NCS will facilitate the whole thing, whether it's volunteering within local communities, whether it's your local corner store, whether it's the local soup kitchen, whether it's organizations. They will facilitate the whole thing. All you have to do is sign up, and of course this will happen when it's safe to do so. So across the summer, once it's safe again, and you can sign up and you can get yourself one of these wonderful t-shirts that I am so awesomely rocking for you guys. You can sign up on the website. There's more information there, but this is a great opportunity. Once again, I can't even stress it enough, you know. I feel like it's important for us to learn these life skills. And at the beginning of COVID, one thing I said is that I was really impressed seeing how humanity was coming together to really support and aid each other. And we've seen how much our healthcare workers have been sacrificing and doing things for us. And I think this is a great opportunity for us to do so, whether within our local communities or within the community at large. If you are a mom, if you're an auntie, if you have a young person in your life who you think this would be a great opportunity to, be sure to share this video, share it with them. Let's bring them on board. Let's do this. Let's make a difference. Let's do some good, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you need any more information, I will link it all below. And yeah, I would absolutely love to hear what you guys have been doing within your own little world to do good, to add some goodness, whether it's within your families, whether it's within your neighborhood, however you've been adding your spice of goodness in unprecedented times. I can't even stress that enough, and we all know it. So do let me know below. Healthcare workers, I would just love to hear, you know, what your experience has been so far, because you guys have literally been doing good, and we appreciate you guys for that. We love you for that. And yeah, my business Wild Seed has actually this week donated a whole bunch of products to be sent out to NHS workers, the little that I can do, my contribution to doing good. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.